Let's take a look at how to get rid of the verification required on your App Store in this video. Fix 1. Update or change payment method. When your payment method is set incorrectly or has expired, the App Store is unable to complete transactions, resulting in the App Store verification required prompt. In this case, you will need to update or change your payment method. On the iPhone or iPad, Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap your Apple ID name. Step 2. Tap Payment and Shipping. You will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. Step 3. Select Add Payment Method, enter your new payment details, and tap Done. Step 4. Tap Edit and press the red minus button next to the old payment method. Step 5. Tap Done to confirm the changes to your payment method. On Mac, Step 1. Open the App Store app on your Mac and click on your Apple ID name. Step 2. Click Account Settings and sign in using your Apple ID credentials. Step 3. Next to Payment Information, click Manage Payments. Step 4. Click Add Payment, enter your new payment details, and click Done. Step 5. Click Edit next to the old payment method, then select Remove Payment Method. Fix 2. Check Unpaid balance. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap your Apple ID name. Step 2. Tap Media and Purchases and select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings, tap Purchase History and look for any items with an outstanding balance. Step 4. Tap the unpaid item and complete the payment to resolve the issue. Fix 3. Disable password requirement and restrictions. Step 1. Open the Settings app, tap Screen Time, and then select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Step 2. Tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Step 3. Under the Require Password section, select Don't Require. Step 4. Ensure that both in-app purchases and installing apps are set to allow. Fix 4. Update Apple ID country or region. Step 1. Open Settings and go to Apple ID Media and Purchases. Step 2. Tap View Account Country Region. Step 3. Select Change Country or Region and enter your new address information. Step 4. Enter a payment method that matches the new region, then tap Done. Fix 5. Sign out of Apple ID and sign back in. Step 1. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID, and select Sign Out. Step 2. Re-enter your Apple ID and password to sign back in. Step 3. Open the App Store and check if the issue is resolved.